Storing heat efficiently can be a real challenge. Efficient storage tanks have a sharp thermocline to separate hot and cold water, and zone valves to direct the inflow of water. But let's face it, electronic zone valves are slow, complex, and not very durable. At Conico, we invented a valve that does a much better job at switching using the forces of nature instead of electronics. This mechanic valve is self-actuating and switches purely on temperature differences. It is both extremely fast and accurate. And because the mechanic operation is so straightforward and simple, it is also highly reliable and durable. Let's see how it works. The actuator consists of a small container inside the valve and a float that sits inside the heat storage tank. They are connected by a thin, rigid tube. The actuator is partially filled with liquid and partially with vapor of the same liquid. It is called a thermo-differential valve because it responds to differences in temperature as small as 0.5 degrees and very quickly. If the temperature on one side rises above the temperature on the other side, the vapor pressure rises above the vapor pressure of the other side. This pushes the liquid to the other side. When the temperature of the flow drops below the tank temperature, the empty float rises, so the valve switches to the bypass position. The other way around, the flow goes down and the valve switches to the open position. This system is highly suitable for even the most challenging thermal layering problems, since it is incredibly fast and can deal with large variations in flow rate. We have also used it to create our own innovative thermal solar system. In the direct multipass system, the water is heated in the circuit by the solar collectors while bypassing the storage tank. The temperature rises, and when it reaches the same temperature as the top of the storage tank, the thermo-differential valve comes into action. The valve opens and hot water enters the top of the tank. At the same time, cold water in the bottom of the storage tank flows into the solar circuit, reinitiating the multipass heating process. The system is highly efficient because it heats water in a separate circuit until it has the same temperature as the water in the top of the tank. For systems like these, you need a valve that can respond to changes in temperature very rapidly and more than 100 times a day. The thermo-differential valve is smarter, better, faster, and lasts longer because it makes use of basic powers of nature at the heart of your heating system. We are very excited about the possibilities of this technology. Want to learn more or explore the possibilities together? Please do get in touch.